Dear guys, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching a 5-star property. In this property, one type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. To see more than 100 of reviews of this property, you can go to agoda.com. Check-in time in this property is 2 p.m. Check-out time of this property is 11 p.m. If you have visited this property, please send your experiences via comments. For booking or get more details about this property, please check description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this property, then you can drop a comment